Good morning, my dear children. We are again back to our English class. Last videos, I have explained the poem Friends. Today's topic is a present for grandfather. A present for grandfather. So, open the page number 88, chapter 9. Chapter 9. First, I am discussing just important points of this chapter. First, the villagers were able to wake up early because Bakri's grandfather gave the call for morning prayer. Again, the villagers were able to wake up early morning because Bakri's grandfather gave the call for prayer. Next, Bakri was very worried. Bakri was very worried because one morning he did not hear his grandfather's voice. He did not hear the grandfather's voice calling for the morning prayer. Calling for the morning prayer. Grandfather could eat the mungkin nuts and use the shell to carve the lovely finger rings. He was famous for he could sell the rings for 50 rupiah. 50 rupiah. These made them perfect gift of him. The 5 other boys were disappointed. Why? Because by the time they got to the orchard, all the mungkin's nuts had been picked. The other boys decided to give their shares of the nuts to Bakri's grandfather. Below the chapter, you will see the word meaning. You will write in your notebook. Just I am discussing echoing. What is the meaning of echoing? Hearing a sound repeatedly across a long distance. Across a long distance. Next, diligent. What is the meaning of diligent? Hardworking. Munkins. What is the meaning of munkins? Munkins means a type of nut. Panicked. Very worried and afraid. And abruptly means suddenly. Embarrassed. Ashamed about thinking or doing something silly. And chorused. Chorus means said something altogether. Said something altogether. Dear children, You will just go through the lesson. You will learn the word meaning. You will learn the spelling. Next video, I will be continuing this chapter and I will read the main lines. Thank you.